Home selling hacks on how to create great curb appeal. Symmetry appeals to the eye and is easy to accomplish. Lopsided landscaping or unevenly trimmed bushes will detract from the curb appeal. The overall appearance of the home needs balance. The mailbox should complement your home. If it is worn, dated, or unsightly, replace it. This doesn't cost much and is worthwhile. Use outdoor lighting to add to landscaping appeal as well as a perceived safety feature. Use flower boxes and raised flower beds to add instant color. This is an easy, inexpensive way to enhance curb appeal. Spruce up the landscaping. Eliminating weeds and adding fresh mulch can really make a difference and shows homeowner care and maintenance. Consider enhancing architectural appeal by adding molding to the tops and sides of the doorway or around windows. Keep shutters and trim in excellent shape. Repainting them adds to the attractiveness. Fence gates, arbors, and fencing panels should be clean and fresh. Clean downspouts and gutters. Repaint or touch up to eliminate rust spots. Ensure the walkway to the front door is clear and approachable. Stacked hoses and unruly landscaping interfere with home shoppers walking up and diminish the inviting look. Try a fresh coat of exterior paint. Faded or chipping paint, siding, or trim will always detract from curb appeal. If exterior paint is good, ensure door and window trim are, too. This simple upgrade is well worth the cost. Power washing the house, walkways, and driveway can be almost as effective as repainting, at a much lower cost. Power washers are easily rented from hardware stores. Adding some stone or stone veneer to the face of the home is an inexpensive way to instantly update your home, if it complements the design. Add a smart doorbell. 8 of 10 home doorbells are outdated or not working, so if you invest $200 in a doorbell equipped with a camera and speaker, you will gain the approval of home shoppers who are looking for security measures.